In the unequal and unjust Russian invasion of Ukraine, the country that was supposed to be the victim of the famous Russian bear proved to be a real fighter. Ukraine not only defends itself from Russian aggressors, but also fiercely retaliates against Russian attacks and often returns the war to Russia itself on its territory. Russian military warehouses, vehicle staging areas and transport ships keep blowing up inside Russia-held territory in Ukraine, as well as along the border in Russia itself. Yes, Ukrainian attack helicopters and explosives-laden suicide drones are responsible for some of these attacks. But it's evident that Ukrainian brigades firing old Tochka ballistic missiles are responsible for many, if not most, of the Ukrainian deep strikes targeting Russian logistical infrastructure. One of the most recent Ukrainian missile raids also was the most dramatic. Someone was recording on their phone as, in broad daylight on or before Thursday, three-wheeled launchers apparently belonging to the 19th Separate Missile Brigade fired their Tochkas one after another in rapid succession. A soldier carrying a Stinger shoulder-fired surface-to-air missile, apparently watching for Russian drones, also is visible in the video. The Stinger protection is a healthy reminder that the Tochkas can fly only so far, between 44 and 75 miles, depending on the model, and thus are vulnerable to detection and counter-battery fire by enemy forces that might be just a few miles away. But 75 miles is far enough for strikes against vital nodes in the logistical network supporting Russian forces, including nodes just across the border. Since Russia widened its war in Ukraine starting in late February, Ukrainian Tochkas have blasted, at the minimum, 2 airfields in southern Russia, a Russian fuel convoy in Chernihiv in northern Ukraine, a Russian ammo depot in Krastalny in eastern Ukraine, and another Russian facility in Svatovo, also in eastern Ukraine. A Ukrainian Tochka apparently also set ablaze the Russian Navy landing vessel Saratov in the occupied port of Berdyansk in southern Ukraine. Considering that Russian forces claim to have shot down several Tochkas mid-flight, the tally of successful attacks represents just a portion of the Ukrainian Tochka launches in the first 120 days of the wider war. We don't know for sure how many Tochkas Ukraine had going into the war. Possibly 300 or more, along with at least 40 launchers. The missiles apparently were a mix of 1970s vintage A models and late 1980s B models. Kyiv's logisticians obviously took care to preserve the aging missiles across their decades of frontline service. Missile transfers could sustain Ukraine's deep strikes as the war grinds on. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.